Okay, for the Bluetooth, I will show you how to connect it with your phone. Okay, first I will open the Bluetooth so that I connect it. You can search the Retekess.
Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Yes, we have when I connecting with the FM transmitter, the receivers will have a sound. It will promote that you have connected successfully. And yeah, also when you connect it, the light will be not flash again, and the BT words will not flash up as well. And now I will broadcast one sound. You can see the sound. The sound quality is very good because for this video, because for this FM transmitter we use the latest chip. It is QN8007. So the sound is very quality than other models. It is also the good feature for the FM transmitter. And you can see that when you broadcast the sound, the audio, the light will have a flash in a slower speed, and it will flash as well with a slower speed. Okay, do you know how to use it and how to set it, how to connect with your phone with the Bluetooth function? And if you still have any other questions, just email us at support@retekess.com or visit our website to get the answer. The website is www.retekess.com. Thanks for your time. Bye.